Objects in the universe, the first stars, the first galaxies, born in the first few 100 million years after the Big Bang, the light has been traveling for almost 13 billion years. It has been stretched so far that it has passed through the entire visible spectrum and is now infrared. Light our eyes cannot detect. Light that Hubble, an optical and ultraviolet telescope, can barely see. The beginning of the universe is hidden from us behind a veil of infrared light. To see it, you need a different kind of eye. This is why the James Webb Space Telescope was built, not as a replacement for Hubble, not as an upgrade, but as a machine designed from first principles to see the thing Hubble could not, the oldest light in the universe. Building that machine took longer than almost anyone expected. The idea was first proposed in the 1990s, when Hubble was still new. The telescope that would eventually become Webb was meant to cost around $1 billion and launch in 2007. It did not launch in 2007. The engineering requirements were unlike anything attempted before. Webb needed to see infrared light, but infrared detectors are sensitive to heat. Any warmth, even from the telescope's own structure, would blind its instruments with thermal noise. The telescope had to be kept at an operating temperature colder than interstellar space itself, around -233 degrees Celsius, just 40 degrees above absolute zero. To achieve that, engineers designed a sunshield, a 5-layer membrane the size of a tennis court that would unfurl in space and block every source of heat: the sun, the earth, the moon. The telescope and its instruments would sit in the permanent shadow of this shield, cooling passively to operating temperature. But to fit onto any existing rocket, the entire structure had to fold. The primary mirror, 18 hexagonal segments of gold-coated beryllium, 6 times the light-collecting area of Hubble, had to fold in on itself. The sunshield had to pack down to a fraction of its deployed size. An observatory the size of a building had to fit into a tube. It was, in the precise engineering definition of the word, origami. 344 individual mechanisms had to deploy successfully in the right sequence for the telescope to work. A single failure could end the mission. After years of delays, cost overruns, and a global pandemic, the James Webb Space Telescope launched on Christmas Day 2021 from the Guiana Space Center in French Guiana. Atop an Ariane 5 rocket, it rose through the clouds. 344 mechanisms. Every one had to work. Every one did. What followed the launch was 6 months of quiet anxiety. Webb traveled to a point in space called L2, the second Lagrange point, 1.5 million kilometers from Earth, 4 times further than the Moon. Too far for any repair mission, too far to rescue. Whatever happened next, it happened alone. Over the following weeks,